I want a contract. Hey, Bubbles! We are in time. It's some me time. You know what you want. Crib by the beach like Odell.
Hi Bubbles, good evening. So we're done with my hair. I would have loved my mirror is dirty. I would have loved to show you guys this hair, but a girl is tired. A girl is tired. So I got my nails done. Hold on, let me show you. Oh girl. So I got my nails done. Nothing too extra, just a simple French tips. Simple French tip. And I've got my hair done and I got my lashes done as well. I don't know if that can show. Yeah, I got my lashes done. I love it. And this is the situation. This is at the coast that I'm traveling with. Yes, we are traveling. Yeah, I did not give you guys that or a hint, but we are traveling. We're traveling literally tomorrow, right? So I just want to sort this out because I love like leaving my house clean. It's not like it's dirty, but I like it being extra clean whenever I'm traveling. So when I come back to a neat house. Yeah. I don't know, I just like the feeling of coming back to a neat houses. I feel like I'm welcomed. So I'm thinking by now the self-love video, a bit self-care solo days video must have been up. So I'm thinking of doing it if I should do like rose petals on the room because it would be so beautiful coming back to rose petals from the travel. I think I would do that. I really think I would. I love the feeling that I got when I came back from my solo dates and I saw rose petals. It's so beautiful. I think I want to do that when I come back. So yeah, we're traveling. Um, I would have said guess where, but this is a vlog, so it's going to show you guys where. But we're traveling and let's pack. I don't know if I can carry people to pack up because I'm running on limited time. I still have a lot of things today to do tomorrow before traveling. Today and tomorrow before traveling. But let me sort out. I've done the first part of packing, which is that tiny box here. So I need to do the second part. Then I am done packing. But I then now need to fix this room. And we're ready. We're ready. Let's pack. Let's pack. Let's pack. Bubbles, I'm tired. I'm tired. Let's pack.
I want a contract, yeah, no, maybe. In the meantime, hey, Bubbles! We are in Lagos. We have been in Lagos for some days now. And now this is my friend Malaika, my baby girl, the girl that gingered me to start up my YouTube because I would have been sleeping for so long. This girl, whoever, I don't think you need any other motivation aside from Malaika. She will literally wake you up in the middle of the night to tell you and tell you, you're not uploading a video. I'm just looking at you. That's her. Whenever I see Malaika's call, I'll first of all go and check my YouTube and be like, have I uploaded? Okay, I've uploaded. Now I can call you. I'm not joking. When you called me yesterday, I went to go and check my YouTube. I said, okay, I don't upload now. Okay, I've uploaded. And after I said, hey, you never edit, oh? Monetary spirit, that's what you are.
It's not that bad. I'm not as.
She is brutal, oh. Let Malaka don't remember you. She is brutal.
When I'm your accountability partner,
yes.
I take it personal.
Yeah,
yes,
yeah, you do. Yeah. She takes it. I feel like that's her calling. Malaka, you should not do talent management. That's your calling. You really like make the person get gingered. I'm not joking, no.
It's good. You see why? You guys have seen her. No, they're giving me another talent.
Do not depend on nothing or no one. So why would you show up so uninvited? Just change my mind like that. Please don't take this personal. You ain't shit. You ain't special till I made you so. You better act like you know that I've spent
Everybody's like he's no item. Please don't like him. He don't wife him. He one item. I never listen, no. I should have figured though. All the shit you was spitting.
Keep my eyes above the way. Scared with my trust is free. 24 seconds, yeah.
So hi Bubbers, good morning. Today is the 23rd of August, which is actually Friday. The last video, the last clip that you saw, I was thinking the vlog was going to end there, but when I was editing, I just noticed that the clips were not plenty. So this is the continuation of the vlog. We're in Port Harcourt, obviously, you must have sensed that. So we are traveling to Aba. I don't think I will do much vlogging, but let's see. It's just a very quick travel in and out. Basically, I just want to see my parents and I'll be back. So maybe the next time you guys will see me would be me in Aba, or maybe me back, right? But we will see how this will grow. I think this particular vlog will be up like next month. I don't know, because I still have another video that I'm editing. There's another one that I want to shoot before this video comes up. So,
Yeah, it's a lot of niggas hate, and I don't entertain them. But damn, you gotta give me more. If you don't want.
hi, Bubbles. Good evening. So we got a package from Jumia. We didn't really. I ordered something and it arrived. So we have it here, and I want to do an unboxing. This vlog is going to end today. I am tired because I feel like it has stalled for a while. I think the vlog started from me about to go to Lagos, then I came back, then I traveled, then I and it still hasn't ended. I'm so sorry. I thought I was going to be doing a lot of travel vlogs, like not a lot of travel, like I was going to have a lot of content from my travel, but life happened and I didn't have any, or I was too tired to even have any. I'm so excited. I got 2 items here, and I'm so excited about both of them, right? So that's that. I made a new hair. Let me cover up my hair. I made a new hair, but I already started a vlog. That is going to come up. That is going to go up next week, and I was showing you guys my hair, so I'm not going to spoil that and show you guys this hair now. So you really, I'm so deviated, but I'm so excited for the next vlog because there are a lot of content. I'm so excited. Aside from the hair, I have a lot of things going on for my next vlog, which is like this week, next week. So I'm actually excited about it. But let's go on and unbox this. Sony smartwatch Native Storm is an ITEL watch, and I've been seeing a lot about it on TikTok. I think I saw it a lot, and I just like, let me get it. And then it's been really coming back to it soon. So I have been seeing that ITEL 200, 2000 certain. If you're in Nigeria, you would know that. This is as well 20,000 mAh, but the main reason I picked this over the popular one is because this supports this according to the description, this power bank, your type C cord you can use it to charge the power bank and you can use it to charge your phone. I don't know if that makes sense. Like wanted power bank that I can be able to use to cord. I didn't want to be able to buy. I didn't want to have the sort of buying a USB cord, which I actually have. I don't need to buy, but I didn't want that. So this is what I was talking about, the input, right? The type C. The type C, this is like this, you can see this is the in and out. So I can charge and it can be used to charge. It's lightweight, that's all I can say. And I think I just started liking the easy that comes with iWatches. I think so. I think so. I'm actually supposed to install something, an app on this on my phone to be able to connect to the watch. Of course, you're going to get a review about this, the iWatch, and the power bank in the next vlog. Thank you, Bubbles, for watching up until this point. I'm so excited to come to an end. Like, I'm so excited for this video to come to an end because I'm so excited to start another one, which I've already started. So thank you so much, Bubbles, for sticking to me or sticking around down to this point. I love you. See you guys in my next video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share, tell a friend to tell a friend, tell an enemy to tell an enemy.